Normally, see, e no go better for Judy Ekwensu and im supporters. E no go better for Judy Ekwensu and im supporter, my people. Una know say this this Yul Edochie daughter, wey dem dey call Daniel. Daniel just graduated, and the school, Pan Atlantic University for Lagos, dem do convocation. So a lot of people, dey when e be say dem no get sense, where dem no get thinking faculty, I'm telling you guys, some people dem no dey reason. Dem say Daniel no invite the father. My people, abeg, if pikin dey do convocation, dem dey invite papa. No be papa dey organize convocation for im pikin. In fact, all those olori buruku wey be say dem come from dysfunctional family, make thunder wey be say e dey do sit up no hit una gbowai. Make e no strike una, because una can dey talk rubbish. Yes, a pikin when e be say e graduate for school, na im go invite im papa for im own convocation. Abi na the papa na im suppose to organize graduation ceremony for am, invite friends say my daughter don graduate. Where im papa dey wey dem go dey invite am? In fact, normally e no go better for Judy Austin and im cohort. Make dem wait make Universal Storm graduate. Make Universal Storm, when Universal Storm graduate, make e come invite am. I no understand. Una see this thing when e be say e happen to Yul Edochie so. Una see this God wey we dey serve. Sometimes he's not a respecter of person. Yul Edochie when e be say in fact, sometimes may God no let us labor finish. The day of when we go eat the fruit of our labor, we will be nowhere to be found. And if una look at the dedication when e be say this Daniel dedicates her certificate to, if una see the way she write am up, una go know say this pikin dey intelligent. If to say na some kind children, dem go say dem dedicate this certificate, this graduation, the certificate to their mama, because everybody know say normally say na Queen May na im make this girl graduate. Na Queen May na im pay school fees. The school when e be say this girl go, na 4 million naira na im dem dey pay per section. So na Queen May na im pay Daniel tuition fee till she graduate, because Yul Edochie no gree pay, say he no get money, say Queen May dey make money pass am, and he say he want to do polygamy. Before you dey go say you wan go carry another woman, begin dey carry responsibility. The ones wey be say you get on ground, you never fit pay school fees. No be juju be that. My people, no be juju be that. To fit akwa. So those of una wey be say una dey open una mouth dey talk say na pikin when e be say e dey do graduation, na im go invite im own papa when e born am come im own graduation. If that father is not a failed father, if your no be failed papa, tell me whether dem suppose to invite am for im own daughter own graduation, when I go celebrate, dey drink, say God don bless am with 20 years old beautiful daughter, when e be say e no disgrace her. My people, so Judy Austin when e be say e look finish, come scatter person home. How e come be now? See the picture, the time be say Daniel dey do matriculation, when be say dem carry Daniel go school. Now this your one, this your one I dey see so, he has a very good relationship with him daughter. Very good relationship. Dem dey rapport, dem dey do well. But for the singular act of old kpekus, expired kpekus for that matter. Worn out kpekus, overused kpekus. Now he take abandon in precious jewel wey dem dey call Daniel. Now today, this pikin don graduate. How Yul Edochie dey feel? Shame never be im portion. My people, una know say when Judy and Yul Edochie say they want to rebrand, then look am. Na Yul he look am finish. She say, Queen May don use silentness. He don use silent pack the whole money for social media. He don use silent, wey dem say silent, pack the whole money for social media, everything finish. Now, look at the way e be say Yul Edochie and Judy dem just dey. Dem just dey like daily. Today now, person dey celebrate, him daughter dey celebrate, e no fit go there. How Yul Edochie wan take get that confidence to even go? Was it part of it? Was he paying the school fees? Daniel says, give me money. He say, go meet your mama. Your mama, they make money pass me. Your mama, they make money pass me. You no get money, they do polygamy. You no get money, they born every Eke market, they born children. So they can, because of, I don't know what he say, they worry him. He can't talk say, if Judy can give am get pikin, Judy can't go river. Go beg water goddess pikin. They don't give her universal storm. The one where they say na go replace Daniel. Meanwhile, Daniel is 20 years old. 20 years, she's already a graduate. Meanwhile, meanwhile, universal storm never seen they wear pampers. So before that pikin go reach 20 years, Yul Edochie na 60-something years already. Because you're na already 40-something. It go be 60-something before it go reach 20 years. It is so. So now in the next 20 years, now Yul Edochie go begin to eat the fruit of his labor, if he go even eat it. Because this life where you see, so anything where woman be so, he go reap. Now, all these fantastic Judy supporters, they come out, they talk say Daniel graduate with 3rd class. If they tell una say this beautiful, intelligent girl graduate with 3rd class, now go gree. She not only graduate with 3rd class, she did very well. Come couple with the circumstances when it be say it's around the kpai of in junior brother, couple with him papa when he no get head, one where they dey for social media every day, they dance with strange woman. In classmates, then go they laugh at all those kind of things. He never reach person to go under depression. Say because of him papa see expired kpekus. My people, when I see this Queen May daughter, the girl, they very, very intelligent. Very, very intelligent. You see those people where we say they open their mouth, say Daniel no invite him papa. May shame be on a portion. Shame unto other when be son they talk say Daniel no invite him papa. Whether na she supposed to invite his own papa for his own convocation. Una they melt too. In fact, you see, this our society where we find ourselves, a lot of people, they are broken. A lot of people, they come from a very scatter home. They don't know what they call love. They don't know how this whole thing is supposed to be. You can imagine. So, if you see Daniel do graduation, is it Daniel that was supposed to invite Yul Edochie? I still they ask that question. Is it Daniel that is the daughter na go invite him papa? Na family where be say when things no they go well. Because of the kind of society where we be say we find ourselves, and they cause all these things. So and they cause that. something wey be say e no dey normal, e go come become normal for una eye, because the society don already in fact, when family dey, that is why Satan the devil, una dey see am dey attack family, because e know say if e fit get family, e don get everything finish. Everyday now e dey scatter marriage. So this Judy Austin, this thing wey be, you see this thing wey be say you do this family, beautiful family wey be say dem dey their own, they are doing very well, but because of say you say im weak, im be weak man. If not, men wey be say dem dey go outside, some of them dey go carry woman for outside, but dem no dey do am come near where their family dey. When they come to their family, they set boundaries. But no, yo don't eat in cake, you want to have it. E no go possible, my people. So what do una think about this whole matter? How una see this whole thing? Make una like, make una share our video. This is Naija Celebrity Gist TV. Una have a nice day. Bye.